I don't know if it's the 4th or 5th one, I have no idea. So again, 7th month, 9th day in Richfield. So we're gonna head back, walk this way, kind of swing back around, and head back. So it looks like you can even go that way. And farther that way, so it goes back a long ways. A lot longer than I thought. Let's sit up over here. Another area up in here you can sit. Kind of tell. I have no idea how far I walked so far. We're gonna go this way. So yeah, this will be out. Christmas will be about 10 days away, you guys. Oh my God. Be 2024 before you know it. Holy balls. Where I'm walking right now is all full of snow. Hopefully we get a lot of snow. I like snow. We don't live in the desert, right? I figured to go this way, it's more shadier. So we're gonna go back on this way. Some houses over here. On the left. Yeah, much more shadier in here. It was like you guys saw the one that walked that one trail when I was in Virginia Beach by the mall. Kind of followed that trail back over there. So you kind of tell this goes this way towards probably residential. They worked their way in from over there. Interesting guy. Interesting tree. Oh my goodness. A lot of poison ivy in there.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, I gotta say that's all poison ivy right there.
Oh man.
Oh yeah, be careful of that stuff. Oh yeah. Oh, poison ivy, baby. Gotta be careful of that behavior. You don't want any of that stuff. Big trees over here. Gotta walk out here, right? Shall we? Walk out here? Could be a poor choice. Man, I don't mind going out there, but trying to turn around is another thing. That could be a poor choice. You walk out there, but you got to be careful to get out there. I don't have both my hands holding something, so. There's another one out there, huh? Look at that bad boy. We'll hold it down like this, and you walk like this. Give you the knee level, right? walk alongside me with the adventure idiot, right? That'd be a great name for a channel, the Adventure Idiot. The Adventure Imbecile, I don't know. The Adventure Fool. But yeah, it's, you know, beautiful day to adventure out and leave the house and make some gur in the middle of July. Kind of walking along here in the trail, right? Oh, I step over here. See, this one is Dare, Try, Live Excitedly with Gusto, Dorothy. So, I don't know what those are. Who knows? I just smile at somebody, don't smile back. It's like, okay. Kind of making my way back around where I was before. Oh, man. It's always a good time to go for a walk. Or go for a run, right? That makes me painful to watch them run. My legs can't handle that behavior. Not too much trash. There's a little trash right here. Not too bad. So yeah, this is only part of it you guys have seen. We'll make our way back to the facility and keep right on walking. I'm thirsty, man. Should have had some water. Poor choice. Should have brought some, but I didn't think I was going to do this, but I had time today. Hey, what the hell? You like this? You see behind me as I walk? You can see behind you. Having the microphone, I can still talk as you look behind. Who knows how long that was dirty, but it is what it is. If it was dirty, it was dirty. I can't help that. Now we're coming around where I was before. There's some baby ducklings over there. Oh, a whole bunch. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Hey guys. What, there's some turtles over there. You see all those turtles over there? 2, 3, 4, a whole bunch. So there's 7 ducklings hanging out. Turtle ran away. There's a bunch over there on the, from over there, a whole bunch. Up there sunbathing. So, you got your share of wildlife. That's right. Where the hell these are. Purple rain. Yep. Anyways. Yeah, you can kind of see those turtles over there. Alright guys, we're going to end it here and I'm going to take some pictures.